might see if those clouds come back through.
You said what?
You need trucks, not cars.
No, that's what I'm telling you. I got the all-wheel drive, so I'm just a little bit better.
Nice. Yeah.
But his is rear wheel, so it's just hard.
Yeah, it's bad.
Yeah, we didn't know it was gonna be this bad. We're an hour from here,
Where are you guys from?
like Somerville
Somerville?
area around there.
No
Yeah.
fucking far. What's up fucking you
We
guys
got
doing
friends.
here?
We got friends down here, so.
Fuck the friends. Ah, shit.
We heard there was snow, so we're like, okay, let's go down there. But this is way too much.
Yeah, it's really bad. Not a problem. You can leave it there. It's not a big deal.
Oh shit, we're on like the highway.
Yeah, this is the highway.
Dude, this is
I ain't gonna lie, I think the band's gonna take it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that
Oh,
shit's
yeah.
tough, bro.
Oh, bro, that thing fucking.
Dude, this is all snow.
Yeah.
Bro, there is dead ass no car coming.
Oh yeah.
Bro, that was insane. Winter storm right now, bro. Like.